What's up, YouTube? Okay, I've had multiple questions now about should I have my own running authority? What do I do to get loads when I do have my own running authority? And this is something that is probably going to be asked quite a bit. So here you go. Here's my take on it from what I know. I do not have a running authority. I do not want to get my own running authority. I'll go into it. Okay. When you first go out and buy a van and you think, hey, I'm gonna go get my own running authority, okay? Number one, van payment. Number two, insurance payment on your vehicle. Number three, all the different little bid boards and all this other crap that you gotta get. Then you gotta struggle to basically get loads under a new authority. Nobody's gonna touch you for probably 6 months to a year, and if somebody does, you're gonna be very fortunate. You're gonna be running for crap rates. It's gonna be a messed up load. You're gonna get bottom barrel rates. You're gonna struggle. You're gonna pull your hair out, and you may go bankrupt. So what you do when you get your running authority, let it sit for 6 months to a year, okay? That way your authority has some age to it. The people, different load brokers or whoever, see that, and they're more inclined to give you work if you choose to go down the authority route as opposed to working for a carrier. Okay, number two, when you're bidding on loads, you may not get it. You may be running for the same rate as what you would running for a carrier. So is it worth it? Is it worth playing dispatcher, driver, bill collector? You're wearing all these different hats, and if you're gonna make the same amount of money as you would working for a carrier and let them worry about getting paid and paying you, and are you able to, you have a lot of money to back yourself up if it goes awry? So these are some of the things you should be looking into. I've had, like I said, I've had a bunch of people talk to me about it. Right now I have some free time. I'm waiting in between loads. So I'm going to answer some questions. Is it worthwhile for you to have your own running authority? That's up to you. If you don't want to work for a company and you're okay with making the same amount of money you would with a good reputable carrier, then have at it. Do whatever you want to do. You know what I mean? What's good for you may not be good for me or somebody else, but I think for a lot of people, they don't realize how much work it is. And it's a lot of work, man. You gotta chase people for money. Oh, screw you, you're not getting paid for this load you did 6 months ago. And you gotta go after them and try and get some of your money, and it can be timing and taxing. Why I haven't done this? Number one, I'm from Canada, okay? Our insurance rates are triple what you guys pay down in the States, right? So then I gotta fight. I gotta make sure I have the insurance, triple insurance, van payment, bid board payments, and all that other crap. Fight with every other a-hole and their grandmother to get some cheap freight, right? So was it really worth it? I'm gonna make more money at a decent carrier than I am out on my own. So that's why I haven't done it. I've looked into all this, and just the insurance in Canada is flipping ridiculous, man. And then not getting paid. And you know what? I'm not gonna lose my house, my personal vehicle, have my family kicked out on the street just so I can have Diddy's Expedite service or something. You know what I mean? I can be the cool business owner. I can be a cool business owner working for somebody else and let them worry about getting paid. Let them bid on loads when I'm trying to sleep. So that's why I haven't done it. Could I do it? Yeah, but do I want to struggle and pull my hair out every month? No. So I can run for basically who I'm with now, and they're gonna run me. I know I'm gonna sit. I'm gonna do the same thing with or without my own authority. Plus, it would be a struggle for me to get freight going back into Canada without having a fast approval and all that stuff. That's another thing too, because I go back and forth from Canada to the US and run back and forth. In order for me to make good money, I have to have, basically, it's called fast approval. It's your fast card or CSA in Canada to bid on freight. Well, I have to have multiple vehicles even to get that, or it's going to cost me a crap ton of money. And then when I do that, they may not even give me freight because I only have one vehicle. You know what I mean? So anyway, so when you're getting into this and you want to, oh, I'm going to get my own authority, I'm going to get on the DAT load board, I'm going to get on load board 1, 2, 3. Most of that stuff's for semis and maybe straight trucks and stuff like that. From what I've heard, there's not really a lot of van expedited freight, or if it is, it's LTL. And you're gonna run for shit rates. So yeah, do your due diligence. Go work for get your authority. Let it sit on it for a year. Decide if it's really what you want. If you don't want to do the own authority thing, you can just cancel it or whatever. Keep it for a rainy day or something like that. So I don't want to see people get into this industry as a new owner-op or new driver or whatever and lose their shirt. I try and help people out, you know what I mean? I do these videos for free. I'm not asking Patreon or stuff like that. I might do it in the future. I really don't know. I'm kind of on the fence about Patreon. I feel like a beggar, but then at the same time, I'm giving people advice that if you would go to a consultant, you would pay for it. You know what I mean? So, but yeah, anyways, look it up, think about it, don't rush into stuff, and all that good jazz. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Really appreciate you. Give me a thumbs up if you like the content. If you don't, give me that thumbs down. Either way, I'm good. And if you could give me a sub to the channel, subscribe to the channel, would be freaking amazing. That'd make my day. And you like to share this with other people, you know, getting into the industry, or they're, you know, they are in the industry, just want something to look at and listen to driving down the road, whatever. Also answer questions on Instagram. I'm also on TikTok, and I'm on, obviously, here. So if you got a question, don't be afraid to get a hold of me on some of them other platforms, or leave a question down below in the comments, and I will do my best to help you out. Okay, talk to you guys later. Bye for now. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Hey guys, new videos coming soon. I'm trying to post videos every Friday, so stay tuned, and catch you later.